Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss body fluids and circulation assignment bits. Introduction topic of body fluids and circulation. Here date 12/8/2020. Next, see Nana, body fluids and circulation only introduction assignment. First question: human blood does not contain. Here option 1 prothrombin, option 2 fibrinogen, option 3 calcium ions, option 4 collagen. Generally human blood does not contain fibers. Here human blood does not contain fibers. Here fibers are absent in blood. Here prothrombin inactive plasma protein, fibrinogen inactive plasma protein, calcium it is also coagulant factor, fourth coagulant factor. Here collagens are fibers. So generally fibers are absent in human blood. So option 4 is correct for next. Human blood does not contain fibers. Fibers nothing but here collagen fibers. So option 4 is correct for first question. Second question: human fluid connective tissue is devoid of. Similar question like first question. Here again human blood does not consist of fibers. Here prothrombin inactive plasma protein, calcium coagulant factor, fourth factor, reticular fibers. Here these are fibers, reticular fibers. So fibers are generally absent, devoid of fibers. So third option is correct for second question. Next, fibrinogen is inactive plasma protein, helps in coagulation of blood, present in inactive form. So human fluid connective tissue is devoid of reticular fibers. Here blood fiber free liquid matrix. Blood consists of fiber free liquid matrix. So option second question, third option is correct. Then third question: blood, a special type of connective tissue, here consists of fluid matrix, right? Has formed elements. Yes, right, formed elements means RBC, WBC, platelets, correct. Is the most commonly used body fluid by most of the higher organisms. Yes, correct. Blood is the most commonly used body fluid by most of the higher organisms. Correct statement. So all of these, see, all three statements are correct. Hence the answer for third question is all of these, means all statements are related to blood. Then fourth question: another body fluid also helps in the transport of certain substances. Another body fluid means main two body fluids. One is blood and the second one is lymph. Here another body fluid, lymph, also helps in the transport of certain substances. See, next first option is correct for fourth question. So serum means plasma without clotting factor, serum. Next, plasma, fluid matrix of blood is called plasma. So plasma nothing but fluid matrix. So plasma otherwise called fluid matrix. So fourth question, first option is correct for fourth question. So this is a fourth question, first option is correct. Right, Nana, question number 6. Which one of the following is correct? Here first option, lymph is equal to plasma plus RBC plus WBC. Second option, blood is equal to plasma plus RBC plus WBC plus platelets. Third, plasma is equal to blood minus lymphocytes. Fourth, serum is equal to blood minus blood plus fibrinogen. See, lymph is equal to plasma plus RBC plus WBC, wrong. Here lymph is equal to plasma minus RBC plus platelets plus large plasma proteins. Lymph is equal to plasma minus RBC, WBC, wrong. Here plasma minus RBC plus platelets plus large plasma proteins, correct. So this is wrong statement. Here blood is equal to plasma plus RBC plus WBC plus platelets. Here this option is correct. So here blood is equal to plasma plus RBC plus WBC plus platelets. Here this is a previous NEET question. Here plasma is equal to blood minus lymphocytes. Wrong. Blood minus formed elements. Blood minus formed elements is equal to plasma. Next, fourth, serum is equal to blood plus fibrinogen. Wrong. Plasma minus fibrinogen. Right. Plasma minus fibrinogen. So here for sixth question, second option is correct. Seventh question, in which of the following phylum circulatory system appears for first time? So first option, Platyhelminthes. Here no circulatory system, they are parasites. Aschelminthes, digestive system, complete digestive system appear for the first time in Aschelminthes. Third, Annelida, circulatory system appears for the first time in Annelida. This is third option is correct for seventh question. Arthropoda, respiratory system appears for the first time in Arthropoda. Here in Aschelminthes, digestive system appears for first time. Annelida, circulatory system appears first time. Arthropoda, respiratory system appears first time. So circulatory system appears for first time means Annelida. Correct answer. Open type of circulatory system is present in eighth question. First option Annelida, Arthropoda. Here it is open type, it is closed type, but Arthropoda is open type. Here two are not correct. Mollusca, open type. Next Arthropoda, open type. Yes, here second option is correct for next eighth question. Here open, both are open type of circulation. Third option Mollusca, open type, but Chordata closed type. So it is wrong. Chordata closed type. Arthropoda open type, but Chordata is closed type. So it is wrong. So open type of circulatory system is present in Mollusca and Arthropoda. Correct option. Next, ninth, in all connective tissues except dash, the cells secrete fibers of structural proteins called collagen or elastin. Here, except loose connective tissue consists of fibers. Here collagen fibers, reticular fibers, elastic fibers are present in loose connective tissue. Dense connective tissue also collagen fibers. Next to parallelly arranged to each other, dense regular. Next to irregularly arranged called dense irregular connective. Dense connective tissue consists of collagen fibers. Regular pattern of arrangement, dense regular. Irregular pattern of arrangement, dense irregular. Here except blood, here blood does not consist fibers. So blood fiber free liquid matrix. So blood is correct for ninth question. Here bone also consists of collagen fibers. Means except blood, the cells secrete fibers. In remaining connective tissues, fibers are present. But in blood, no fibers. So ninth question, third option. 10th question, most commonly used body fluid by most of the higher organisms to transport materials. Most commonly used body fluid. Here lymph is also used to transport certain substances, but commonly used body fluid is blood. So third option is correct. Here lymph, tissue fluid or extracellular fluid, all these are same. Next, so here it is certain substances are transported through lymph or tissue fluid or extracellular fluid, but most commonly used body, most commonly used means blood. Then next, lymph is also used to transport certain substances, but commonly used is blood. So 10th question, option 3 is correct for 10th question. So this is here right Nana. Question number 5, fill in the blanks. A simple organisms like sponges ciliate, circulate, dash from their surroundings through their body cavities to facilitate the cell to exchange of O2, CO2, nutrients and waste products. Here A means here in fill in the blanks, simple organisms like sponges ciliate, circulate, dash from their surroundings. Dash means here water. So here water. Next, B. More complex organisms use special fluids within their bodies to transport such materials. The dash is most commonly used body fluids by most of the higher organisms, including humans, for this purpose. Here this dash means blood. Next, another body fluid dash also helps in the transport of certain substances. Here C means lymph. So here A is blood, water, B blood, C lymph. So second option is correct for fifth question. Fill in the blanks. Simple organisms like sponges, ciliate, circulate dash from their body, dash means water, from their body, from their surroundings through their body cavities to facilitate the cells to exchange of O2, CO2, nutrients and waste products. Then B. More complex organisms use special fluids within their bodies to transport such materials. The dash is most means blood is most commonly used body fluid by most of the higher organisms, including humans, for this purpose. So here B is blood. Another body fluid dash also helps in the transport of certain substances. Dash also helps in means lymph also helps in the transport of certain substances. So correct answer is second option, A water, B blood, C lymph. So fifth question, second option is correct. Question number 11. Simple organisms like dash A and dash B circulate water from their surrounding through their body cavities to facilitate the cells to exchange of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients and waste are here simple organisms like sponges means porifera, and ciliates. Here A is sponges, B is ciliates. So second option, here simple organisms like sponges and ciliate circulate water from their surrounding through their body cavities to facilitate the cells to exchange of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients and waste. So here A is sponges, B is ciliate. So second option is correct for this, fill in the blanks. Okay na? Next, here not protozoa. Simple organism like protozoa and porifera is wrong. Next, Platyhelminthes. Here these are parasite. They exhibit anaerobic respiration, not exchange oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients. So they exchange by simple diffusion. Aschelminthes, arthropods have tracheal system for exchange of gases or nutrients. So correct answer is A is sponges, B ciliates. Second option is correct for this question. See that here these 11 questions are from body fluids and circulation introduction part. Okay, body fluids and circulation introduction part. Next, here these 11 questions assignment for introduction of body fluids and circulation. So here this assignment is completed. Thank you Mananda.